we're going to use Avogadro's law to solve this problem. He said equal moles of gases take up the same amount of volume. So it doesn't matter that we have argon, neon, or any other gas. If we assume these gases behave ideally, then the same number of moles of any gas takes up the same volume. And at STP, 1 mole of any gas takes up 22.4 liters. We'll use V1 over N1 is equal to V2 over N2. So we'll use Avogadro's law in this form to solve this problem. For argon, we're given the grams instead of moles. So let's first convert that to moles using its molar mass. The molar mass of argon is 39.95 grams per mole. So in 27.1 grams of argon, we have about 0.678 moles of argon. So the question is asking, what is the volume under the same temperature and pressure for a different gas? So let's say the second set of conditions is neon. And the first set of conditions is argon. So we're looking for neon's volume, and we have everything else. So let's rearrange this to solve for the volume of neon. Now let's plug in the values. The volume for argon was given to us in the problem, 4.21 liters. The number of moles of neon is also given to us, 1.29 moles. And the number of moles of argon we calculated earlier, 0.678 moles. So the answer is 8.01 liters. By the way, these moles cancel out. Is the volume of the container that contains neon. We can check the reasoning to see if this makes sense. So Avogadro basically said, the more air you put into a balloon, the bigger the balloon will get. Now, obviously, I'm simplifying here. He did much more than the very obvious. But in this case, that's really what it boils down to. So the volume of a balloon is directly proportional to how much gas is in it. So what did we just do? The number of moles we started with, in argon's case, is less than 1 mole. And imagine if this is a balloon, we about double that. So the volume should be about double. Argon's original container was 4.2 liters, and our final container is 8 liters. So again, it's about doubled. So V1 over N1 is equal to V2 over N2. And so that does check the logic test.